If you have a beloved plush toy or stuffed animal that needs to be cleaned, there are some important things to consider. First, check if the fabric is washable by looking for washing instructions on its tag. Toys that are old, fragile, too big, or too firmly stuffed should be hand washed. Avoid machine washing toys with sequins or glued-on items, as they may not survive the wash. If the plush toy has small foam balls inside it, it is not suitable for machine washing. Check for any electronics or technology components and spot clean them with soapy water as necessary. Before washing, secure any loose parts and remove clothing or separable components. Pre-soak with a vinegar solution to remove stains and odors. Place the stuffed animal in a mesh laundry bag or a pillowcase to protect it in the wash, and use a small amount of mild detergent or vinegar solution during the wash cycle. Set the washer on a gentle cycle with cold water to avoid damaging the toy. You can add distilled white vinegar to the rinse cycle for additional deodorizing if needed. Avoid using a dryer as it can melt or damage the toy. Instead, reshape the stuffed animal after washing using a dental pick or comb to remove knots, or give the toy more fluff and let your clean stuffed animal air dry.